Hello, I'm carver Zhang Wenjian. This is a small waste piece. If it weren't a small leaf jar, I would have discarded it long ago. The wood is thin on one side and thick on the other. It's just right. Let's take it from the middle and make a small toy. Please check the end to see if my idea matches yours. I've seen the world from Singapore to Ireland. When you ask me the most beautiful place, I'll say San Siwa. It was a tough trip, 10 weeks, with only the day I swallowed up the world's filth and salty water swallowed when we threw the anchor. There was ever so slightly calm and the sun was low in the sky when I looked over the railing. There was nothing to dream. There were many and boats, and they were holding on to the men and women. Their bodies shone in the sun. They sang a song. It sounded strange, but I'd never heard anything like it. Well, we have finished making a big eggplant. It is as fierce as a tiger and worth 2.5 yuan. But have you thrown away such small waste materials? After watching the video, do you have the same idea as me? You can tell me in the comment area. This tutorial ends here. If you learned something, follow me. See you in the next video.